This is a basic overview of a custom sound project with an FP7, released from Rapido Trains. These locomotives were the first Rapido release equipped with the latest LokSound version 5 decoders, allowing the decoder to be completely customized in regards to sound while using a LokProgrammer. In anticipation of this release, I had gone ahead and recorded a set of custom sounds and audio tracks. Using an H6 recorder, I voiced a few radio chatter and station call effects specific to my layout and time period. Other sounds I used are audio snippets from actual FP7 footage from the 1970s and 1980s. Specific effects were also added to the audio track, such as radio static, stereo effects, and station chimes.
Yardmaster, this is 4063 holding at signal, awaiting permission to depart, over.
Roger, 4063, you're clear to proceed.
Each audio track was prepared using Final Cut Pro and Adobe Audition. Before importing each sound file into the LokProgrammer, each audio file was exported in a .wav file format with a sample rate of 64,000 Hz at 16 bits. I had tested multiple sample rates and those export settings seemed to be ideal. Anything higher than those settings seemed to affect the compression of the file, causing the decoder to not be able to play back the file properly. Once all the custom audio files were prepared, the original Rapido factory files were replaced with a true V5 sound file from ESU. I went with the Diesel EMD 16567 prime mover, which matches up perfectly with an FP7. The engine file was intended for use with the V5 decoder, allowing for ideal playback. The original factory Rapido file wasn't a true V5, and you can certainly hear the difference. Using the LokProgrammer 5 software, each sound was uploaded and added to an appropriate sound slot. There are 32 slots in the V5, however, not all slots are sounds. I made sure to have room left for functions and class light logic, etc. In function mapping, each sound or function was assigned. Under the sound category, I would select the new sounds from the drop-down and assign the file. I also went ahead and customized the function buttons, making sure the icons, description, and categories were updated to reflect all the changes. This comes in handy if you use any software such as JMRI's Decoder Pro. When you read back the decoder, you should have all the function buttons display the appropriate description. In regards to motor and lighting effects, they were also fully customized and adjusted. The motor took some time to get right though. Low speed operation proved to be an issue out of the box. There was a lot of skipping at low speed. I used CV54 to set a general guideline for the engine settings. The rest was up to me to find an ideal driving characteristic that I liked. After everything was tested and proven, I created a custom function card that I'll add to the box. It's a good reference to have since there's a lot that's been updated with this locomotive. For anyone that might have questions on this project, feel free to comment or drop me a message. Here's the final sound test and the completed project.
Yardmaster, this is 4063 holding at signal, awaiting permission to depart. Over.
Roger 4063, you're clear to proceed.
10-4, over. This is Canadian Pacific 4063, train 68. We're awaiting permission to proceed off the Parkdale Sub into the Union Corridor. Over.
Roger CP 4063-68, you'll need to hold another occupant on the block. Over.
Roger, control 4063, awaiting clearance. Over.
Have your attention, please. Via train number 68 towards Parkdale will be departing in 10 minutes on track number 1. Please have your boarding pass in hand. Only those with a valid boarding pass are permitted to board the train. Thank you. Attention all passengers. Via train number 68 from Union Station is now arriving on track 1. Please have your tickets ready for boarding. Only those with a valid boarding pass are permitted to board the train. Via train number 68 now arriving on track 1. Thank you.